Kia ora, Mark from LOKtouch here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a user into the LOKtouch KMS Professional software. Let's take a look. Hi everybody, in this video we're going to have a look at adding a user to the system. So simply log into your software. It's up a bit bigger for you. Come to the landing page, which has various pieces of information that has been going on in the system. Let's head to the user tab. In this tab or window, you'll be able to add a user to your system. So simply go to the create button. A couple of default windows need to be done. Fill in first name, last name. Okay. If you've got user groups and you've created them previously in the software, then they will be available in the drop-down window. A basic description, and that's used for any internal information you want to add about this user. Fire that in there. Their phone numbers, their user ID or staff ID number perhaps can be put in there. If you click on the blue triangle, then you're able to apply a calendar to the user now that you've created elsewhere. You are able to set the time that the key starts. You might not want it to be active for a couple of weeks, but you're issuing it now, so you can do that. You can control the expiry time or use the default. Expiry time is a good one to ensure that you have it short enough that people come back to you, or staff members come back and get their key updated at some point. Okay. The key validation is a function that you can apply to the key to make sure that it returns to the software to be updated or validated to work again in there, and you can use 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, etc. As a function, or not at all. So once you have filled in the relevant detail to you, then simply click save. It's noting that there's a user already in the system with this name, and we're quite happy to have that again because that was actually a deleted person previously. So the new user has been added here. Now all it's is a matter of doing is writing that information onto a blank user key. So take a new user key, and you'll see that the green light has locked on the key, and the flashing light is telling us that Bluetooth is paired up, and click create user key. Now the software is going to write that information. You can see the progress bar. It's writing that information onto the key. It has successfully completed it, and we now have a new user ready to open some locks. You, at this stage, are required to go to the setting page to give the new user permission to open some keys. If you would want to find out about that and various other features, then please take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see further tutorials on how to use LOKtouch KMS Professional software, then please check out our YouTube channel or visit LOKtouch.com. Thanks very much.